Problem 100, same tree. Given the roots of two binary trees, P and Q, write a function to check if they are the same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. Last time we did DFS with in-order traversal. I'm not sure. The first thing that popped into my mind was somehow comparing the two trees heights, and if the height is different, then obviously it's going to return false. I don't know how to express that in code. I'm guessing we would have to do some sort of traversal. Not sure which traversal would be best. Utilizing a two-pointer because we're looking both simultaneously. Anytime there is a mismatch, we return false is the idea. Are they always going to match in number of nodes, maybe? Because if not, then that's going to return false. And that would also cover, are they matching in heights? Because it's going to return false otherwise. So we have to make sure that they're structurally identical and all the nodes have the same value. Traverse through both trees using two-pointer, both at once. Return false if at any difference. To compare if two trees have the same total number of nodes, you must calculate the total count of nodes for both trees independently and check if those two counts are equal. I feel like if we do this, then we don't have to do the height comparison. While we can do this, when we come up with the final answer, this is probably unnecessary, I think, is the vibe I'm getting. Whether it's the height or comparing the number of nodes, I think the answer will compare all of those anyways. So I feel like we're doing unnecessary work here. I don't know. Like, I don't know how to write the code to compare two trees nodes. I'm not sure what the textbook solution is and how that would look like. Okay, that's real problem solving instinct. But the code itself has some significant issues. The traversal body is empty, not actual solution. Can have equal height. Both can have height too. I mean, that was just one like edge case check, but I knew that there's the real solution would take care of it without me having to work that hard. The comment traverse both trees at once and return false at any difference is literally the correct algorithm, you just didn't implement it. Get tree height also uses a different node class than the problem's tree node. Shows the helper was written from memory, not integrated with the problem. Good awareness of trade-offs, the thinking and comments shows you understand what the solution needs to do, that's the hard part. The two-pointer simultaneous traversal you described in your comment is the solution. It's just recursive DFS, you are one step from writing it. If P is null and Q is null, return true. That is one edge case, I guess, like both are empty, no trees. And if they're different here, that's false. Okay, you can compare just the tree node P and Q, and if they have different values, then return false. Oh, no way. It's this simple? No shot. That's it. No height check needed. Oh, so you just call the same function and then use. So what I'm unsure of is like, how does this continue to like iterate through every child node in the whole thing? Like that seems too simple to be true. I feel like this is like actually a very easily memorable solution. Okay. The solution is very elegant. I like it. Today we looked at the same tree, problem number 100, which was surprisingly very, very simple. I have this unwarranted confidence that I feel like I will get it next time I see this problem without much issue because it is so concise. There's like no complex logic anywhere. It's a simple compare first, like simple edge case cleaning. You basically compare the value and then just repeat recursively and you're done. That's pretty nice. I don't really have much else to say about this problem because I feel like I sort of understood the logic part intuitively. I just wasn't quite used to expressing it in code. But I think I should be able to do this next time I see this. On a different note, I was kind of studying up and like watching a lot of videos on AI agents past couple days, messing around with some stuff that one of my mentors provided, and also trying to see if I can make my own like set of agents to automate things. It's definitely exciting times to be able to do all of that so easily. I hope I can make something that will somehow solve some good set of problems and make my life a little easier. But if I do manage to make something, maybe I'll share it here. Definitely so much knowledge out there that are relevant to people in this field that I don't know how people manage their time like to, keep up with their own technology while also covering so much new information that get pushed out almost every single day. I think that's what makes this field definitely exciting compared to others. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.